Hi guys, thanks for tuning in today. My name's Nikki and I'd like to show you how I do a baby boomer or ombre pink and white nail using the Young Nail Slick Paw products. So I'll just walk through the products I've selected here. So the first one is Under the Radar, which is my clear powder. The next powder I've chosen is my white, which is called Paper Aeroplane. And the pink one I've chosen is a colour called No Frills. Really pretty pink. I don't like to do a big contrast, hot pink and white. I'd rather one that blends nicely. I'm going to use my scooper to decant the powder onto my stick. Now I've got here the Caption products from Young Nails, which is a gel. The Caption Conversion top and base. They're usually used to create nail polish gels, but today we're going to use them for slick paw. But alternatively, you can use the resins, the 4-part resins that come with the slick paw product. I prefer the gel, so I'm going to be demonstrating with these products. So let's open our little jars here. The reason I've written on them is because I'm not too good with lids, putting them back on the wrong pot. Okay, so I'll line those up. So I've taken the shine off my stick already, so I'm ready to go here. This, of course, would be a tip on a nail, and we're going to swipe our nail so that's dehydrated and sanitized. So the next thing I'm going to apply is my Protein Bond, which is the Young Nails Primer. This acts as a double-sided sticky tape and applies a really nice tacky surface to my nail. This can be put just on the natural nail. You don't have to put it on the tip, but putting it on the tip does create extra adhesion if necessary. So let's start with our Conversion Base Gel, and I'm going to apply a nice thin layer of this base gel. And this will be applied all the way from cuticle to free edge. Okay, so let's use the first of our products, which I'm going to start with is the pink. The white, and then we'll apply clear at the end. So using my little tool, I'm just going to apply the white into this section and bring it up perhaps a third of the way up the nail. So the reason I'm using a little scoop like this and not dipping it is because I'm wanting to spray the end where the smile line would create a line that I don't want to definitely see this time. So I'm actually just going to sprinkle it up and then sprinkle the pink onto that white and then up to the cuticle zone. And of course, if it was a real client, it would be way more hygienic than just dipping their finger into the pot. Tap off my excess and that first layer gets cured, because let's not forget it is gel, for 1 minute. Okay, so I'm just going to dust off any excess powder there, on top of my pots, not a good idea. And we'll come in with our second coat of Conversion Base. Okay, so we're going to repeat that first step, sprinkling the white on first and let it tether off into the middle. And a second layer of pink. Okay, so that's ready to cure again for 1 minute. Dust my excess off. Now I've got the colour I'm really quite happy with. I'm going to start making the structure now. So this is where I'm going to use my clear powder. So this is my third coat. Of course, the longer the nail is going to be, you might perhaps want to do a fourth or even a fifth layer of clear. Pop my little pots out the way and come in with my clear powder. Okay, so this clear obviously goes over the whole entire nail, making sure I don't leave any shiny or clear spots or wet spots from the gel. Cover the nail completely. Another reason why I don't like to push the tip into the powder is it smudges the gel and the product underneath. You get a better overlay when you're just sprinkling it on. Okay, so we're only going to apply one layer of clear because this is not a real person. And I'm just going to very, very lightly finish file that nail. Again, I just want to reiterate, if you wanted it stronger, do more layers of clear and just give it a gentle buff when you're finished. Okay, so we're just going to remove our filing dust with a little bit of swipe. And now it's time to come in with our conversion top coat. Nice even layer. Beautiful, so that can go in for our final cure now, which is again 1 minute in the universal lamp, which is both LED and UV. That was a very quick minute. Okay, so we're just going to wipe off our dispersion layer or our tacky layer. And there we have it. Beautiful baby boomer ombre French nail, done with slick pour. Finish every surface with cuticle oil. And we're done. Thanks very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video today and it gives you another idea how we can use the amazing Slick Pour products. Bye for now.